Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into fitness, nutrition, and all things health. Today, we're reviewing the much talked about Applied Nutrition Critical Whey Protein Powder. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. So, this is the Critical Whey Protein Powder by Applied Nutrition. It's marketed as a high-quality whey protein blend, combining whey protein concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. This unique formula claims to support muscle growth and recovery effectively. Let's look at the details. It's relatively low in fat and sugar, which is perfect for anyone looking to maintain a lean physique. Plus, you're getting over 5 grams HbCAAS, which are essential for muscle recovery and growth. As you can see, it mixes quite well, no clumps or grainy texture. That's a good start. Now, let's taste it. It's surprisingly smooth, with a rich chocolate flavor that isn't too overpowering. A thumbs up for taste. I've been using this for X weeks now, and here's what I noticed. It's fantastic for post-workout recovery. My muscles feel less sore, and I'm definitely noticing strength improvements. It's ideal for anyone focused on building muscle or maintaining an active lifestyle. High-quality protein blend with great absorption. Low fat and sugar, ideal for lean muscle gain. Mixes well and tastes great. Suitable for a variety of fitness goals. Slightly pricier compared to standard whey powders. Not ideal for those with lactose intolerance. Applied Nutrition Critical Whey Protein Powder worth it? I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for a high-quality whey protein that supports recovery and tastes amazing. While it's not the cheapest option, the quality and results speak for themselves. If you're interested, I've added the link to the product in the description below. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite protein powder. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness reviews. Until next time, stay fit and keep hustling.